Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am opening a package from Alternative Finch. It's very exciting, but before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So, package from Alternative Finch. When was it? Last month I was sort of featured on the alternative market. If you don't know what the alternative market is, on Facebook once a month they have an alternative market. It's where small businesses, they basically get like, I think it's an hour's slot where they put lots of different items of theirs up with different prices, and you can sort of say sold on them, and it's just a great little way of finding out different new businesses, seeing the different things that they have. You just sort of tune in, see what they've got. It's lovely. They have so many different companies, and one of those companies was Alternative Finch. Now, I've been aware of Alternative Finch for a while, and bless her, Debbie that runs Alternative Finch has contacted me a couple of times and said, you know, can I send you something? And I've been like, oh yes, 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 and then life's got in the way, and I've sort of, I like to do these things, but sometimes it just, timing doesn't work out. But as soon as that market was finished, she messaged me and said, right, come on, we're both here, let's do this. So I picked some things from her site. Now I don't know what she sent me. Well, she did message me and tell me what she sent me, but I kind of tried to sort of read through it and go, that's nice, but not commit it to memory, because I didn't want to, I want to be surprised when I open it. So I basically just said, I like this, I like this, I like this, and sent her a list of things that I liked and was like, surprise me. So we're going to open her package. But now, I have actually technically opened the package because I thought it was something I'd ordered from eBay. So I opened it and then realised what it was and was like, no, 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 don't open it, don't open it. But I did ask her to send me a little bit about her company so that I can let you guys know about her company. So I asked her, how did you get started with Alternative Finch? And she said, in 2010, I was supporting a visually impaired lady in a jewellery making class. I started to learn the techniques to allow me to support my learner, and I quickly started to make my own jewellery using plastic beads. Then I discovered semi-precious gemstones, and by then I was hooked. I asked her, what inspires you? And she said, I draw my inspiration from many different styles, such as Gothic, Rockabilly, and then in 2012, I discovered steampunk. I was interested in Victorian style infused with machinery, and seeing people dressed in their different weird and wonderful outfits at steampunk events also inspired my jewellery, with incorporating animal charms such as octopuses, bees, dragonflies, with gears and cogs into her pieces. I said, what is your ethos? And she said, well, I've always tried to aim to make jewellery as unique and one of a kind as possible, as I originally studied painting and ceramics when I was at college and university. I myself dislike going to an event and seeing lots of other people wearing the same top or dress as me, so Alternative Finch is to create bespoke and alternative jewellery and accessories, and not to mass produce jewellery. I love to create pieces with my own hands. It makes each one special, and I hope that customers see that when they choose to buy from me. My hope for the future is to continue to develop and hone my style, and to expand my range of techniques, as I'd like to be able to incorporate my own laser cut and 3D designs into my jewellery in some way. She's also put all her socials, etc. I will make sure all of that is up here and down in the description box so that you can go check her out. So let's see what we've got here. She's definitely got a steampunk inspired vibe. When I was looking on the website, it was like, oh yes, you can see there's definitely some steampunk. Right, oh, here we go. So this is her business card, but I will make sure all of that is down in the description box so that you can contact her if you would like to buy anything. And I've got a few of those, so yeah, I'll be putting them in some further giveaways. Right, so first one is, I love these little bags. Oh look, it says happy post. That's so good. Oh, my son is obsessed with owls. He's going to love that. And it's on green paper. Oh my word, yeah. Even if I wanted to keep that, I'm not going to be able to. Oh, that is adorable. I love these little cute bags, they're great. They're really handy to actually store the stuff in as well. So, I don't want to tear the little owl. Yes, he is. I suspect my son will keep him stuck to the drawer. Oh, wow. Okay. Right. this is a Cameo. Oh, that's so cool. It's got a Baphomet on it too. Oh, I love that. Look, she's put little jewels on all the corners. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, it's nice and weighty too. Weighty but not clunked you in the sternum heavy, you know. Oh, it's beautiful. It's on this sort of, it's like, I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. It's even got texture on the back, and that is gorgeous. Wow, thank you, Debbie. Oh, that's so cool. I love the Baphomet. I love the Baphomet. Come on, right. Come on. Sorry, house bats. Off you come. If you haven't seen any of my House of Bats videos, where have you been living? And I will link one up in the corner and down in the description box so that you can see me opening these. But today it's Alternative Finch's turn. So let's try this on. Let's try this on. Oh, that is going to look awesome with my Necessary Evil tops. You know, the ones with the keyhole. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. I love it. Beautiful. Thank you, Debbie. That is just gorgeous. The quality is amazing. And oh, it's got such a lovely texture as well. I'm such a texture person. So right, what have we got next? What have we got next? We've got another one. Another one with an owl. Oh, this one's in a little red bag. Oh, I quite like the fact the bags are different colours as well. That'll make it much easier to find when I want things for my jewellery box. At some point I will give you like a jewellery box tour so you can see the crazy state that is my jewellery box. Oh, these are beautiful. Come on, come on, what we got? Oh, wow. Oh, fantastic. Oh, I forgot about these. That makes it all the more fun. These are crescent moon earrings. There we go, look, so that's the shiny side. And then the other side is textured. They've got all the phases of the moon in them. That's really cool. Right, let's take these out. Oh yeah. Oh, they're so cool. And really light as well. It's definitely a thing I need light earrings. If you haven't seen my earring collection video, I'll put a link up there and down in the description box and you can check that one out. Oh, they're so cool. Oh, another pair to add to my collection. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, and they're going to go beautifully with, I've got the Kill Star, the big moon necklace. Oh, that's going to go beautifully with that. Oh, and actually Heavy Metal Hubby got me a little moon one that, and I've got, these are going to go with a lot. I'm planning outfits around my jewellery already. What have we got? I think this is the last thing. Yes, good, because I told her not to send me too much stuff because obviously she needs to make a profit. What have we got here? Again, another little happy postie. It's so cute. Look, he's so cute. Ooh, ooh. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. Oh, that is awesome. So, look at that. They're dragon's claws holding like an eye. Talk about Lord of the Rings style, sort of, you know, Game of Thrones. That is so cool. My daughter is going to be trying to pinch this off me because her hair is basically that colour at the top. That is so cool. Oh, I don't have much stuff with pink in it. That is exactly my shade of pink. That, well, yeah, look, I mean, my whole arm is, you know. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Right, hang on. Sorry, Cameo, you're going to have to come off for a minute. Oh, I like the fact that one of them's like old style sort of gunmetal and this is really vibrant silver. These are beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love it. There's so much detail in the eye as well. Can't believe that. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way that she's got a real different range of stuff on the website. She's got, I mean, there's loads of steampunk stuff, and there's loads of stuff that's like, it's like crystals with like this intricate wire wrapping on it. It was one of those things that I was like, it's really beautiful, but I know what I'm like, and if I get it, it'll get stuck in my hair, which will mean I won't wear it. I know I wouldn't know what to wear it with. It's not something that I would know how to accessorize, and it was one of those things where I was like, it's beautiful and I absolutely adore it. And I've got some friends that are more sort of what I would call like hippie goth, you know, they like the crystals and, you know, palm readings and tarot and that kind of thing. I think they would look, I mean, Smalgish, Hannah, you'd love her stuff. Yeah, I'm going to tag you in this. But yeah, I can see it's just not how I veer at the moment. You know, God knows where I'll be in a year. You know? My style changes with the wind. So, but oh, they're beautiful, and then you can see the attention to detail that's gone into the manipulating all the wire and stuff. They're so unique. I've never seen anything like it on anybody else's site. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. This is just so cool. She does these in all sorts of different, you can get them with like sort of black claws or the more steampunk like brass effect claws, and she's got loads of different coloured eyes as well. There's like a black and red one, and like there's a greeny one and a blue one, and oh, there's so many beautiful things. And again with the cameos, she's got the more traditional Victorian side portrait ones as well, and she's got loads of different colours, and oh, there's just so many beautiful things on her website. I would definitely recommend that you go and check out Alternative Finch. I'm blown away by the quality as well. They're really, really gorgeous. I mean, this is real kind of new goth, and I love it. I love it all. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Debbie. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am definitely going to be designing outfits around these pieces. I can see it now. My husband's going to be like, oh my God, seriously. You know? But let me know what you think. Let me know which is your favourite piece. Let me know if you've got anything from Alternative Finch. And please go check out the Alternative Market. Go check out Debbie from Alternative Finch. She's a lovely, lovely lady. So remember to like this video. Comment down below. Tell me which is your favourite. Tell me, just have a chat if you want to talk about any of the items. Love to speak to you. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so that you can find out whenever I upload. And remember, people, stay heavy.